Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Wagwan, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make brown stew chicken. And I'm talking home style brown stew chicken, is not restaurant style brown stew chicken. Restaurant style chicken is stew chicken because they cook a lot of chicken in bulk. So they have to stew it down. So this brown stew chicken, I'm gonna fry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to wash my chicken. So this is my chicken, I already cut it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it with some fresh lime. Now I'm going to wash the chicken, fresh lime, and I'm using two lime. Now I'm gonna drain them. Gonna rinse one more time. So now my chicken finished wash. So over here I have some carrot and some Irish potato cut up. I have some bell pepper, I have one scotch bonnet pepper. I have some chopped scallions, some chopped onions, some fresh thyme. I have some chicken season, some blended season, some garlic paste, and grease browning. We're gonna go ahead now and start to season our chicken. Now I'm gonna start to season the chicken. First, I'm going in with the chicken season. Now I'm going in with the garlic paste, blended season, all of it. Now I'm gonna add the grease browning, just like a tablespoon, not too much. Cause remember, we're gonna fry them. We're gonna brown them in the oil first. We're gonna fry them. So I'm gonna mix in. This season, go on them. This is how they look. So these first season, they're gonna add when it's time for me to cook down the chicken after I fry them. That's when I'm gonna add these. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start to fry them off. So I already preheated my oil. So I'm gonna start to fry my chicken now. So I'm gonna make they stay like 3 minutes on each side. After 3 minutes, then I'm gonna flip them to the next side for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn the chicken so that they don't burn. I'm gonna make they fry for the next 3 minutes. Now the chicken finished brown, I'm going to take them out. And this is the way you do brown stew chicken at home. Restaurant style, they cook it in bulk. So normally you would call that stew chicken because you can't get to fry them. It's a lot to fry. So that's why they call it stew chicken in the restaurant. But this is the home style of making brown stew chicken. So after the chicken they finish brown, I should say. This is how they look. So now I'm gonna turn off my stove, drain off the oil, and use the same pot to cook down the gravy. So I'm gonna add back the chicken inside the gravy, inside the pan, and cook them down. So now I'm gonna add back the chicken to the pan. So this is the bowl I season my chicken in. I have some chopped scallions. I have my chopped scallions to it, my chopped onions, my bell pepper. Now the same bowl I'm gonna add some hot water from my cracker inside of it. I'm gonna rinse it out and add it to my chicken. So I'm adding it to my chicken now. To have all the season, I use like 2 cups of water. Making my gravy. Now I'm gonna add some fresh pimento. I'm going to add my fresh thyme. Now I'm going to add my carrot and potato. Now I'm adding my scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover my pot. As soon as it starts to boil up, I'm gonna add my ketchup. Now my chicken start to boil up. I'm going to add some ketchup to thicken up the gravy. Roughly 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm gonna add the rest of chicken season. Now I'm gonna stir it. See the gravy start to get thickened. For 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, my chicken's supposed to fully cook. So now it's basically 8 minutes. My chicken finished cook. I'm gonna turn off my stove and plate it. This is how it looks when it finished cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. So after plating my brown stew chicken, this is how it look. Peace out.